How to share projects on LinkedIn. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So what you want to do first of all is go to your profile right over here. And once you are here, you want to go click on add profile section. And here you can see all of this which you can add. Now you want to go to recommended, and here you can already see add projects. So you of course want to click on here, then this will open up, and here you want to fill every single thing in. So your project name, your full description, skills. So it says we recommend adding your top 5 views in this project. They'll also appear in your skills section. So here you can pretty much add any skill. Let's say video editing or something. Here, easy. Like you can add pretty much any skill you would like to. Here it says add media like images, documents, sites, or presentations. So here it says media file types supported. You can click on there to see that. But pretty much you can either add a link or actual pictures, presentations, or documents. So not videos via your PC, but if you would like to, for example, add videos, then you can do that via a link right over here, videos, articles, and websites. So you can, for example, set up a video private on YouTube and then add a link in here. So additional details, I'm currently working on this project. If you select this, then you only have to select the start date. If you deselect this, then you also have to select the end date when you have finished your projects. If you have collabed with someone, you can also add a contributor, which will also be shown on the project. Then associated with, you can, for example, select where it was associated with. You don't have to, because it can also just be a solo project, not associated with anything. And then you want to click on save, and that will add a new project section somewhere right here. I've done this before, and this is a super simple and quick thing, so it doesn't look all that good, but pretty much I added a link to this. So if I now click on the link, this will open up, and yeah, that is how to share a project on LinkedIn.